Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up online banking with Wells Fargo. Alright, we're not going to waste any time. Let's get straight into it. So the first thing you're going to do is to visit the Wells Fargo website, and then you're going to click on enroll now. Now you're going to need to enter the required informations, your account number, your social security number, and a couple of other things they ask for. Just got to provide all those information, and then you're going to create a username and password. And once that's done, you want to review and understand the online banking terms and conditions. And once you have a good understanding of that, you're just going to set up account alerts and notifications, because that could be very useful for you. And also you want to explore the online banking features, because there are a couple of features available on Wells Fargo. So just explore that. You've got account balances, transaction history, and all that. Just explore the features, familiarize yourself with it, and get a better understanding on how to use the features. You also want to consider setting up automatic payments if you need it. Is one of the features of Wells Fargo, and you can have that done. And also you want to review and understand online banking security features, because that could be useful. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up online banking with the Wells Fargo. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.